how to make this insane walking fashion reels. But before that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such editing tutorials. If you do not have CapCut app installed on your phone, do check out my Telegram channel for the video links on how to install CapCut in both iPhone or Android. Now let's begin. Put your phone on a tripod and film yourself walking. Do the exact same thing in several different outfits. Now open these clips in the CapCut app. In the first clip, scroll to right where you set your foot, hit split right here, and delete the back part. Scroll to the same point in the second clip and hit split, deleting the front part. It now looks like this. For the second clip, hit speed, normal, and pull it all the way down to 0.1. Make it smoother and you have a good slow-mo. To make the outfit flying from the side, hit full screen and take a screenshot. Open that in the Photo Room app. It will remove the background. Now you can select Blur, hit Motion, and boost that up. Back in CapCut, hit Overlay, add Overlay, and now choose this image that we have just created. Resize it so it fits the beginning of the clip and create a keyframe right here. Then scroll towards the beginning and drag the image out to the left. It will now fly in from the left. Do that with all the other outfits, export the video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.